So it's already have some problems with the motor, so it shouldn't hum like crazy on low, but it does really bad on high because the bearings have rust on them. So alright, so you got this on medium. This is when things turn a little wild. This looks like it's on high, but it's not. Well, let me check. Okay, that's medium. About to say that wobbles too much to be on medium. Yeah, this wobbles like nuts. If you guys can see that, this is pretty bad. It doesn't help that the canopy doesn't even sit up right either. Right, so time for high. Okay, now this is on high. Sucker really wobbles to the point I don't even know what to say. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the speed down. Okay, so while that's spinning down, I have something else for you guys to see. I have a New Orleans with the Harbor Breeze Fan Company logo on it. It's going to, oh, here are the blades. It's going to replace this. So, whoop. Well, that was a smart idea. Well, anyway, that's all I have for this fan, and I'll see you guys next time.